In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Welcome to my channel, The Scholar's Outlook, where you'll find the most innovative and insightful analysis on a wide range of topics. Be sure to watch the video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Today's topic is, can we discover God through the wonders of our own beings? Part 1. Allah says in Surah 41, ayat number 53, سَنُرِيهِمْ آيَاتِنَا فِي الْآفَاقِ وَفِي أَنفُسِهِمْ حَتَّى يَتَبَيَّنَ لَهُمْ أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ. We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear in them that this Quran is the truth. You can see the signs of God in the universe and in yourself. In my previous video, I discussed about the signs of God in the universe. In this video, I will discuss about the signs of God in our beings. Allah has used the words wafi anfusihim, which means the self, which serves as a gateway to knowing God. In other words, the path to God is through the signs within us. What signs are embedded within us? The intricate design of the human body and the precision of the functions strongly suggest that we are created by none other than God. Both the external structure and the internal systems of human being clearly show that humanity is the finest creation on earth. Consider extraordinary complexity of the brain, the heart, the organs that enable movement. Each one points unmistakably to the existence of Almighty Allah. Take just one example, very simple example. A mere sound produced by the lungs becomes a meaningful speech in different languages through the instant coordination of the brain. Allah says in Surah Teen, ayat number 4, لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ تَقْوِيمٍ. We certainly created human being in the best of forms. Discovering God through the wonders of our own being means recognizing that the human self is not merely a biological organism, but a tapestry of remarkable signs such as intellectual, spiritual, emotional, and moral that point beyond themselves to a higher source, which means the Creator. The Quran repeatedly invites humans to look inward as a pathway to understanding the one who fashioned them. The Quran presents human being as a carefully balanced creation endowed with reason, conscience, and innate awareness of right and wrong. This inner architecture is self a sign when the Quran says in Surah 51, ayat 21, وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ. And in your own selves, will you not then see? This verse invites deep reflection. The signs of God aren't fully in the universe around us, but also within our own being, our bodies, minds, and inner experiences. Thus, it is a beautifully concise reminder to reflect inwardly and recognize the signs within ourselves. It is a calling attention to the extraordinary harmony within the human being, the mind that can reflect, the heart that can feel awe, the conscious that can sense moral truth. These are not random features, they are signposts pointing toward the one who endowed us with these features. Think about the composition of human intellect. Isn't human intellect a sign of the Creator? Human intellect is one of the most powerful signs pointing to a purposeful Creator. Our ability to reason, imagine, plan, create, and understand abstract concept goes far beyond basic survival. It allows us to explore the universe, reflect on our own existence, and distinguish right from wrong. Do you think this inner capacity random or accidental? The creation of universe can never be random, but it reflects a masterful intentional design. Look at the human wisdom, creativity, human reason, human ability to think, to question, to seek meaning are some of the most profound signs. The Quran appeals to this faculty again and again. Can we discover God through the moral compass embedded within us? Yes, we can recognize God through the moral compass embedded within us. Every human being carries within them a sense of right and wrong, even before formal teaching. The Quran describes this as inner moral awareness. Allah says in Surah Ash-Shams, ayat number 8, فَأَلْهَمَهَا فُجُورَهَا وَتَقْوَاهَا, and inspire it, the soul, with its wickedness and its righteousness. This verse highlights the inner moral compass placed within every human being, our capacity to recognize both right and wrong. It is a powerful reminder of personal responsibility and the divine guidance embedded in our every nature. This moral institution is not a product of mere biology, it is a sign of moral creator. Beyond intellect and morality, the human heart yearns for meaningful peace. This is the thing that the material world cannot fully provide. The Quran speaks about it in Surah Ar-Ra'd. Allazina amanu wa tatma'inna qulubuhum bizikrillahi ala bizikrillahi tatma'innal qulub. Those who believe and whose hearts find rest in the remembrance of God, surely in the remembrance of God do hearts find rest. This verse captures a universal truth. The deepest tranquility isn't found in the external things, but in turning the heart toward the one who created it. This restlessness, this restlessness to search divine existence is itself a sign. It suggests that the human soul was created for a relationship with the divine, and that worldly achievements alone cannot quiet its deeper thirst. Even the physical body, with its intricate systems and delicate balance, is presented as a sign. It means to know oneself is, in a profound sense, to begin knowing the one who fashioned with the inner and the outer world. Thanks for watching.